Ba football team hopes to get the clearance of top striker Chone Salauneune to boost its chances of winning the National League title this year. Salauneune has returned from New Zealand and has been training with the side for the most important clash against Suva on Sunday.
It's time for Ba to tighten up and get ready to face Suva. Their clash on Sunday will be the decider for the Fiji Sun GP Beatrice National Football League title.
It's a crunch game, it's a top of the ladder clash as well, and we are taking all the opportunities for this game.
A win over Suva will put the side in command to claim their 18th league title, but the league leaders face an uphill task to dethrone the capital city side.
Suva will be all fighting, and this will be a very, very important clash, and we are confident.
The men in black have included big names that brought glory to the team in the past. Ba are expected to control play, to be able to dictate the game, which should bring Suva to their knees. New Zealand-based striker Chone Salauneune is back, but whether he'll be cleared to play in time will be known later.
All the players are available, and we are proud that Osea and Rumuri is back in action after missing the games against Lotoka and Nendi respectively.
Under the guidance of coach Yogendra Dutt, the side is preparing well for the crucial encounter. This will be their fourth meeting with Suva this season. Both won a game each, with the recent encounter ending up in a 1-1 tie.
More teamwork, more communication, and getting players adopting the pattern we would like to play in the games.
Ba faces Suva 3 p.m. Govind Park on Sunday. Irfan Khan, Fiji One News.